The Legend of Pakwan. Poor little Juan. He was an orphan of a father and mother. He lived with his aunt and uncle. Their children were naughty, lazy, and had bad manners. They were cruel to Juan. They yelled at him, beat him, and made fun of him when he made a mistake. They called their cousin Pakwan, which meant that Juan was ugly. Juan had a big head. His teeth were black, and his thick lips were red. But Juan was kind, hardworking, and helpful. He worked at home all day long. He cleaned, cooked, took care of the children, and put away the food. One day, Juan's washed dishes broke. "Don't be careful! Just wash the dishes and they'll break!" his aunt shouted. His cousins laughed at him. "Ha ha ha, Pakwan! Pakwan!" was the cousins' repeated joke. Juan couldn't take it anymore. He was crying. He called and prayed to God. "If you can't take me, I'm in so much trouble." And suddenly the sky darkened. Heavy rain poured down. Thunder and lightning rolled. The next day, Juan's family no longer saw Juan. Instead, they saw a plant with a fruit that was shaped like Juan's head. They opened the fruit. The flesh was as red as Juan's lips, and the seeds were as black as his teeth. The children repented. "Juan, I hope you can forgive us," they said to themselves. They changed their behavior. They took care of the plant. They called it Pakwan. Over the years, the plant was called Pakwan. That was the beginning of the existence of the watermelon plant. The legend of Pakwan.